Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hi, how are you? My name is Stephany and I love everything planner related, so I hope that you'll stick around and consider subscribing for weekly videos. But for today's video, I'm going to be unboxing this Day Designer academic planner, and they were kind enough to send this to me, so I'm extremely grateful and just excited because after they reached out, I went ahead and checked out their website to see if it would be a good fit for me, and I did see that they have a daily planner available, so I was immediately sold, because if you've been here for a while, then you know that I love to daily plan and just really map out my day. And I will have all of their information linked down in the description box below, along with a coupon code to save 10%, and that code is Stephany10. So let's go ahead and just open this up, and oh wow, look at how beautiful that is. The gold, and then their information here as well. So let's go ahead, and what is this? Oh, it's another box. So let's get rid of this, and I believe that is my invoice. So I love this little box, and oh, let's see. So it has some information here, and it says the name of the collection, which is flagship, the type of format, which is a daily, the name of the planner, which is called Romance, a picture of the planner, and then their name and the year. So let's see, because I don't think I've seen this before. So yeah, it's a little type of drawer. So that's actually amazing, because once you're done, you can store away your planner and just keep it safe in this box. So that's pretty neat. And it even has the planner specs on the side, so you don't forget, and you know what year and the name. So I do love this, but let's go ahead and move that off to the side. And so I went ahead and chose an academic planner, which runs from July 2021 through June 2022, and these academic planners are actually 50% off on their website. So it's actually the perfect time to try out this planner if you're interested. And this planner is in their mini size, which is an A5, and that's actually the perfect size for me because it's not too big and not too small. But they also do have their original size, which measures 9 by 975, and they just have so many options available, from daily to weekly to A5 inserts, a today and to do non-dated book-bound planner that includes a monthly, weekly, and daily pages as well. So that one really caught my eye, along with the A5 inserts, but I just went ahead and went with this mini A5 with the wire O binding. But they also just released their 2022 flagship planners, and those run from January 2022 to December 2022, and those do retail for $59. But don't forget to use my code to save a little bit of money. But enough talking, let's just go ahead and open her up. I do love all of this gold. I'm not really a gold person, but I think it looks beautiful with this cover. So let's see. So there is this folder, and they did provide some stickers, which is always appreciated because as planners, we are always using our stickers. So let's see. So we have the name page here. So this belongs to, if found, please contact. And then they do have this section for your word of the year. So that's pretty neat. I don't think I've ever seen that before. So let's see. This one just tells you their story and how they came to be. We do have a today bookmark here, so that's nice, and then a how to use your day designer. So I can't wait to really read these through and kind of find out what they're about. So then we do have this self-assessment, where am I in life? So we have topics like career, social, family, chores, and the list goes on. And then I believe you just rate them from very important, somewhat important, neutral, not that important, and not at all important. So I guess, a little rating system to see how you feel about these topics over here. And then we have these top 5 in values, passion, and strengths. So these are pretty great goal setting sheets. And so over here we have my goals and what's important to me. So we have 3 months, 6 months, 9 months, and 9 months in self-care, relationships, professional development, resources, and vocation. And then we do have my plan, what steps to take to get there. And we have goal description, monthly actions, weekly routine, daily habit, and progress looks like. And then over here we have the ideal month, make it happen, and then the ideal week, making it happen. So we do have a morning routine and an afternoon routine from Monday to Sunday. So these are great goal setting sheets. I'm not really a goal setter, and I know that sounds so bad, but I really hope to sit down and fill these out because those are really great pages. And so here we have an overview of 2021 and 2022 as well. Nice and neutral, no color here. And then we have the holidays here, and then birthday and important dates. So just a checklist to list those. And I did notice that we have these gold tabs, so those are pretty. They match all the hardware on the planner, so that's really good. And that does lead us to the monthly view, and I love how neutral this is. So we just have a little bit of gray here, and then the weekend is shaded, and we do have these flags for holidays. And this monthly view is actually from Monday to Sunday, and I'm not sure if that's because this is an academic planner or if the calendar year is also like this. That's interesting. I will have to find that out. But I love how neutral this is. We have a little bit of space here, so you can maybe add some stickers, decorate it, or do whatever you would like. But I love this overview. And then we jump into the daily pages. So we have the date up here, a little quote here, and I believe that's going to be on every page. So then we do have a top 3, a bill due for that day, a what's for dinner, dollars, and I believe maybe how much you've spent that day, and a don't forget. And then we have the daily schedule here, which runs from 7 to 7, and then this to-do checklist section over here, along with a little notes section down here and a spot for daily gratitude. So I love how neutral these pages are, no color whatsoever, so you can add color with highlighter, stickers, or just leave it like this because functional planning is just so pretty as well. And as I'm looking over here, I see that the weekend is on one page. So instead of having all those little categories up here, we have the top 3, two top 3s, and then we have Saturday, and we have Sunday as well. And then down here at the bottom, okay, so this is interesting. So we have a next week, Monday through Sunday, and I believe this is to plan ahead. So once that current week is done, we already know what's going to be happening for the upcoming week. So I love this right here. That's great for pre-planning, and you know what's coming up next before you actually plan for the upcoming week. I love that. So that's basically how all of these pages are until you reach the next month, and then we're back to a simple neutral spread, and I really love that. So let's just go ahead and flip through these. I just love how neutral everything is, and I am obsessed with this Monday through Sunday monthly view. That is so great. And then we just have this little section over here for maybe just some notes for that month. So let's see. And it just kind of keeps going. I am so excited to dive into this one. That is why I grabbed an academic planner, because I really wanted to start right away. And so we get to the end, and that is June 2022. And let's see what is going on back here. Once we reach the end, what do we have? Oh, so we just have 2 blank pages. So I wish they would have done maybe a notes page here. So that would have been just great. And then we do have the back cover here. There's no folder here like we had in the front, but that's okay. I love this pink cover. But I am just so excited to dive into this. I cannot wait, and I just love a daily planner. But make sure that you guys check out their website and use my code so you guys can save some money. But I love this cover. I am excited to dive into it, and I cannot wait to get started. So if you like this video, please consider subscribing, and don't forget to check me over on Instagram at stephanyhappilyplans. And I'll see you next time.